Hey everybody, what's up? This is Sweezy's World. I am Bob. Thanks for stopping by. I mean, I really mean it. Appreciate y'all being here. I hope you're all having a great day. I hope you all had a pretty good week. It's getting to the weekend. It's nothing like a good weekend, It's nothing like having a good BBQ on the weekend, and you know how I like a barbecue. All right, I just love them barbecues. Uh, I was going to talk a little bit about politics. I guess I'm not going to really talk a little about politics. There's so much crap out there it's never going to get right again, so it is what it is. So I just want to talk a couple little things about home security, your area security, wherever you live, that kind of security. You need to know what's going on outside your house or your wherever you are, your compound, wherever you're at, when you're not outside, so you can see what's going on outside. And one thing I did, because I had an extra receptacle outside, lights, I went ahead and got one of them. It's a light bulb, call it security camera. This light bulb security camera, about $60 for two of them. You can get them all kinds of prices. You know, it's a decent little camera. Screw it in. That's how I got it. And it covers a pretty wide range of area. It has obviously motion detection. It'll follow a human being wherever when they come into range, puts a little rectangle on them, and puts the person that they're watching or people in color. Still has black and white background for the way things are. The night vision is pretty cool. Of course, you can spend a lot of money and get full color. I mean, you can do a lot of stuff. But this was kind of a lesser, inexpensive way. Got four of them, and they'll be put to good use. They run off Wi-Fi. They run off pretty decent little software. It works quite well. And I got it on my phone. I got it on my iPad. So whatever I'm using, I can see what's going on. You can't beat that kind of stuff. It's good knowledge. It makes you feel kind of good at home when you can know what the heck's going on around. And even if it's not night, even if it's just during the day and you're kicking back, maybe, backyard or something. Maybe you're in a room where your computer is or whatnot, okay? It's good to know. You just take it up, take it on, check what's going on, go on about your business. It's not bad. That's why I also agree or fully agree that people should have a drone. Now, you can pick any kind of drone you want. I would get a better class of drone, but you don't need the Cadillac of drones. You don't. But you want something you can see night, if you want to fly it at night, and you want something that, it's got some distance on it, even though you probably, in most cases, if you live in like my community, there's not a lot of distance. I'm just considering what's going on in my immediate area. If I was had something was going on at the corner of the road, whatnot, the block, I'd set my bet, put it up there, and put it in the air, and go check it out. When it's like 300 feet above the air, they can't hear it. So if they can't hear it, they can't look it up to see it. They can't shoot it. I'm just saying. But cameras. Put cameras on your house. Put cameras where you're at. If you've got a place to put them, or even make a place to put them. But at least have one or even two. One covering your front area and one covering your back area. You may not necessarily cover your sides. I have a solar lighting system that when you trip it, floodlights come on, and that lights up the area. There's nothing worse than a thief that likes, the thief does not like light, they don't. Sometimes they're brazen enough to try to bust in during the day, and that's when they get, so just saying. Of course, in my neck of the woods, you don't want to do nothing like that because everybody's packing. And we don't have those kind of problems. Once in a while, they'll maybe try and hit a car out there or something, see if they can open it up and not. There's like 5 cameras on them at the same time when they're trying to do this. Don't be stupid. People around here, don't be stupid. We've got it pretty well protected where I'm at. But are you protected where you're at? All right. Get yourself, and like I said, they don't cost much, and they go right in the receptacle. Get one of them. Try it out. I mean, you'll like it. They're cool. Unless you already have a decent other system set up or you have fixed cameras, that's cool. That's that's more money I can spend. So more power to you. So, all right, then, hey, look, between cameras and drone, it's good to know what's going on outside. So you don't have to be out there in it. Just saying. All right. Look, until next time, it's nothing but love for you guys. I truly mean it. Take really good care of yourself. Get out there, enjoy the weather. If it's kind of warm where you're going to be and it's going to be nice and clear side, have a barbecue, man. Have a barbecue because I like barbecues. All right, then. Hey, look, got my Yellowstone shirt. Whoop, this side. Yellowstone shirt. On the back it says Dutton Ranch. I like Yellowstone. It was a really good show. I'm sad that it ended the way it did, but it's what it is, right? So okay. Hey, look. Be good. Be careful. Until next time. I'm Bob, and we'll catch you later. All right. Okay.